I just finished watching a video that Jerry Jones posted, and I had to share this information too. It is outrageous. Subscribe to Jerry Jones. This is from Jehovah's Witness Report.com. In Spain, 14 elders due to be sentenced for 170 million fraud. Posted February 1st, 2015. It says an embezzlement starting in 2001 involving Jehovah's Witness elders in Barcelona, Spain was reported in late January 2015. 14 congregation elders are due to be sentenced in early February, with the prosecution calling for between 9 and 13 years imprisonment for fraud. The Barcelona Provincial Court noted that one person involved in the fraud has absconded and an international search is taking place for his arrest. About 1,300 congregation members appeared to have contributed money to a scheme to build a Jehovah's Witness hospital in Barcelona. It is unclear why such a hospital was necessary and who the medical personnel would have been within the hospital, as the governing body eschewed higher education for the membership. One complainant said, according to economicdigital.es, elders lied and have robbed us. According to the report, 170 million, presumably in euros, were laundered through Swiss bank accounts. More information, an article about the story was translated by Google from economicdigital.es. The facts were rewritten in English, and this will take you to the Spanish link. Economia Digital, yes. So what I think is that these elders, they just follow in the footsteps of their leaders, the governing body. And the sheeple, Jehovah's Witnesses, will just fall into any kind of trap where they have authorities shepherding over them.